If you want to engage your audience with a video post, use the social media video script generator. Enter a couple of details about the video and let AI come up with an engaging video script, perfect for a video post. Set up your Storylab AI account for free and follow along. All you have to do is record the video and create a caption with the social caption generator. Now let's see how you can create effective social media captions to finish your post. Select the social media caption generator, enter your post details, and let AI do the heavy lifting. You will get catchy caption examples within seconds. Run the tool as often as needed. Like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content creation tips.